Dead frog right there.
I wish the Stamped Octagons was still here. That'd be dope to get them starting up. If he wants, you can set up your camera and while we eat, maybe we can get it started and shut down of one of the Stamped Octagons. I could have one of the employees watch over the camera for you.
That's fine. I think the camera will be
Man, it's really slippery, so be careful.
Yeah, it's like new. Once this fan stops spinning, I'll move this.
It's condensation combined with moss.
Yeah.
There's a big old fucking one.
Fork set up.
Are you ready?
No.
Now?
Yeah.
Then we'll get this unit.
Still spinning down.
I think these all have scrolls.
And there it is.